Hi friends, my name is Mahmood Alam and I make apps. Today I'm going to show you how to enable mediation in MoPub. I'm going to take Facebook Audience Network as an example. So there are three steps to complete the mediation process in MoPub. First is you need to add the relevant SDKs in your Gradle file in the Android Studio. Now the relevant SDKs for the Facebook Mediation Network or Facebook's Audience Network for mediation in MoPub is as shown here. Okay, let me show you this in the Android project as well. So in the Android project, you have your build.gradle at the module or the app level, and inside that, inside the dependency section, you need to add this piece of code. Okay, so that's it. That's all that coding is required. Assuming that you already have the MoPub implemented in your project, and you have mapped the relevant ad units from the MoPub. If you do not have the MoPub integration enabled in your project, I have made two videos on that. So please go ahead and check that out. Okay, so once you have added this piece of code in your build.gradle file, go ahead and generate a new app file uh, and upload it on the Play Store. This is all that is required in the Android Studio. All the next steps are in the MoPub developer portal. So let us see what all settings that we need to do. Okay, so there are just two main settings that you need to do. One is you go into the networks tab and add your network. So in this example we are taking Facebook audience network as an example. So let us go ahead and add this Facebook network. So for that you go into MoPub portal, log into the MoPub portal, go to the network section. Inside the network section you can click on the new network and add. So example, I'm clicking one, so it takes a little time to load. So as you can see, I have already added the Facebook, but if you wanted to add some other, you can select one, and then I'll show you how to proceed further. Okay, so the first setting, as you can see, network settings. So here you just give the name. Okay, if you want, you can enable the reporting access. Okay, this Facebook business ID and system user token you will get from the Facebook. Okay, there is a good article given by MoPub over here on where to find the same. Okay, okay. So so if you have enabled the reporting access in the network settings, then this feature will be available. This is usually I haven't used it. Okay, but this is a very simple setting, so I'm not using it right now, so I'll not be able to show you this. But it's I mean, if you enable the network settings, there is just a very small feature that is available. Okay, like basically it controls the pricing of the how much, what should be the minimum price of the what should be the minimum CPM for the ad for it to be able to shown into the app. Okay, then main setting is that you need to map your Facebook placement IDs to your ad units. Okay, these are my ad units basically, which I had created while integrating MoPub within my app. All right, so you need to make sure that you map all your Facebook placement IDs correctly for each of your application. Okay, so once you have done this, just click on save. Okay, I'm clicking on the cancel because I don't want to make any changes to this one, so I'll be canceling this out. Okay, so what is the next step? The next step is that you have to create an order, and within order you need to create the line item, and in the line item you will be mapping your ad units. Okay, like basically which all ad units will be which all ad units you want to be part of the mediation. Okay, then if you want to have each line item target a particular location only, suppose a particular mediation you want only in a particular location, like suppose if you want Facebook to be applicable only in India or only in US, so in that case you have those settings available in the orders as well. Okay, so let us go ahead and see how those settings can be changed. So we go to orders tab. So I have an order created already over here. Okay, uh, you can create by clicking over here create, but since I have already created one, I'll be just showing you how the settings look like. Okay, so when you click on the create order, basically you just get a chance to name the order. Okay, and that's all. Then main setting, then almost all the settings are in the line item. Okay, so you can click the new line item and add an line items. Okay, in order to show you what all settings that you need to do in the line item, I'll be just modifying my current line item which I have already added one. Okay, so I'll click on edit line item. So basically order name you would have already given. You'll give the line item name. Okay, then type and priority. So network line item, so type will be network line item and priority will usually be 12. Okay, then network you would have already selected as Facebook. All right, then budget, what budget you want to set. For me I had just set it up unlimited goal. Then minimum rate, minimum ECPM, for the ad to be shown in your app. So I just put 0.01. Okay, then schedule, like when this order will be taking effect and when it will end. So for me, as you can see, I just put a start date, and but I haven't put an end date, which means it will be forever unless I disable it. And then there are some other settings like I have selected serve ads all the time. Okay, no caps, so you just as many requests that comes up, as and when the request comes, you can show the ad. Okay, then I have the private data, just enable private keywords. Okay, then there are certain optional settings. Okay, if you want, you can make them like how many what is the percentage of ads that you'll be showing. So I've just put it 100. These are optional settings, so you can leave them blank as well. I've just put it 130. Okay, and once you have done these settings, you can just click on done and your changes will be saved. Okay, just enable your order from here. Okay, and you're all set to go. Okay, if you like my video, please do subscribe, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment below. Thanks for the time. Have a good day.